Who was Nikola Tesla? Nikola Tesla was a scientist and engineer who is best known for creating the alternating current AC electric system, which is the most common type of electric system used today. He also made the Tesla coil, which is still used in radio technology. Tesla was born in what is now Croatia. In 1884, he moved to the United States and worked for a short time with Thomas Edison. George Westinghouse bought a number of his patents, including the ones for his AC machines. Early life: on July 10, 1856, he was born in Smiljan, Croatia. Tesla had 4 brothers and sisters: Dane, Angelina, Milka, and Marika. Tesla's mother, Juka Mandic, invented small household items in her spare time while her son was growing up. This made him interested in electrical invention. Milutin Tesla, Tesla's father, was a Serbian Orthodox priest and a writer. He wanted his son to become a priest, but Nikola was very interested in the sciences. Education: in the 1870s, Tesla went to school at the Realschule Karlstadt, later renamed the Johann Rudolf Glauber Realschule Karlstadt in Germany, the Polytechnic Institute in Graz, Austria, and the University of Prague. He then moved to Budapest, where he worked at the Central Telephone Exchange for a while. Tesla got the idea for the induction motor while he was living in Budapest. After trying for a few years to get people interested in his idea, at age 28 he decided to move to the United States. Nikola Tesla vs. Thomas Edison. In 1884, Tesla moved to the United States with little more than the clothes on his back and a letter of introduction to the famous inventor and business mogul Thomas Edison, whose DC-based electrical works were quickly becoming the standard in the country. Edison hired Tesla, and soon the two of them were working hard together to make Edison's inventions better. A few months later, they broke up because they had different ideas about business and science. Historians say this was because of how different their personalities were. Edison was a powerful person who focused on marketing and making money, but Tesla was out of touch with business and a bit vulnerable. First solo venture: in 1885, Tesla's investors gave him money to start the Tesla Electric Light Company and told him to improve arc lighting. After he did this, Tesla was forced out of the business and had to work as a manual laborer for a while to make a living. 2 years later, when he got money for his new Tesla Electric Company, his luck would change. Inventions: throughout his career, Tesla discovered, designed and developed ideas for a number of important inventions, most of which were officially patented by other inventors, including dynamos, electrical generators similar to batteries, and the induction motor. He was also a pioneer in the discovery of radar technology, X-ray technology, remote control, and the rotating magnetic field, the basis of most AC machinery. Tesla is most well known for his contributions in AC electricity, and for the Tesla coil. AC electrical system: Tesla came up with the alternating current AC electrical system, which became the most popular way to get power in the 20th century and has been the standard all over the world ever since. In 1887, Tesla was able to get money for his new Tesla Electric Company, and by the end of that year, he had filed patents for a number of his AC-based ideas. American engineer and businessman George Westinghouse quickly became interested in Tesla's AC system. He was looking for a way to send power long distances across the country. He was sure that Tesla's inventions would help him do this, so in 1888, he paid $60,000 in cash and shares in the Westinghouse Corporation for Tesla's patents. As interest in an AC system grew, Tesla and Westinghouse were put in direct competition with Thomas Edison, who was determined to sell his direct-to-current DC system to the whole country. Edison soon ran a negative press campaign to try to make people less interested in AC power. Unfortunately for Edison, the lighting at the 1893 World's Columbian Exposition in Chicago was taken care of by the Westinghouse Corporation, and Tesla showed off his AC system there. Hydroelectric power plant: Tesla built one of the first AC hydroelectric power plants in the U.S. at Niagara Falls in 1895. The next year, it was used to power the city of Buffalo, New York. This was a big deal that was reported all over the world, and it helped AC electricity become the world's power system. Tesla coil: Tesla coil. In the late 1800s, Tesla patented the Tesla coil, which paved the way for wireless technologies and is still used in radio technology today. The Tesla coil is an inductor that was used in many of the first radio antennas. It is the heart of an electrical circuit. With the help of a capacitor, the coil makes the current and voltage from the power source resonate across the circuit. Tesla used his coil to study fluorescence, X-rays, radio, wireless power, and electromagnetism in the Earth and its atmosphere. Death ray: after his free energy project ended and he had a nervous breakdown, Tesla eventually went back to work, mostly as a consultant. But as time went on, his ideas got more and more crazy and impossible to do. He became more and more strange, and he spent a lot of time taking care of wild pigeons in New York City parks. Tesla even got the attention of the FBI when he talked about making a powerful death ray. During World War II, the Soviet Union was also interested in this idea. Tesla Motors, the electric car. In 2003, a group of engineers started Tesla Motors, a car company named after Nikola Tesla, with the goal of making the first car that runs on electricity alone. Elon Musk, an entrepreneur and engineer, gave Tesla more than $30 million in 2004. He is also the co-founder and CEO of the company. In 2008, Tesla showed off the Roadster, which was its first electric car. The Roadster was a fast sports car that helped change people's ideas about what electric cars could be. In 2014, Tesla came out with the cheaper Model S, which in 2017 set the Motor Trend world record for going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.28 seconds. Tesla's designs showed that an electric sports car could be just as fast as a Porsche or Lamborghini that runs on gasoline. Movies on Tesla. The Secret of Nikola Tesla, a 1980 biographical film starring Orson Welles as J.P. Morgan. Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, a 1994 documentary produced by the Tesla Memorial Society and the Nikola Tesla Museum in Belgrade, Serbia. The Prestige, a 2006 fictional film about two magicians directed by Christopher Nolan, with rock star David Bowie portraying Tesla. How did Nikola Tesla die? Tesla died of coronary thrombosis in New York City on January 7, 1943, at the age of 86. He had lived there for nearly 60 years. He was poor and lived alone. Tesla's work, on the other hand, is still around today because of what he did. At the corner of 40th Street and 6th Avenue in New York City, where Nikola Tesla used to have his lab, a sign that says Nikola Tesla Corner was put up in 1994.